Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up nested agents with Superagent. So one of the cool things with Superagent is that you can have one agent control other agents by nesting them together, and this can be done either in the SDKs or in the UI. So I'll just try to show you a quick example of how to achieve this. So what we are going to do is that we are going to create a agent that speaks German, and then we're going to create a agent that controls the German speaking agent basically. So what we'll do first is to create our German agent, and we just go through the regular wizard for that. And here's our prompt. Assistant is designed to be able to assist with a wide range of tasks, blah, blah, blah. And in the end, we can just add always answer in German. So this is just a regular agent. It doesn't have any documents. It doesn't have any tools. It doesn't have any other type of functionality, just a large language model basically at this point. You could add tools or documents to it if you want to, and that has been a use case that many people have. And the way you do that is to just do that in the prior steps, like configure your documents, configure your tools, and then connect it to this agent. And from here, we can go to the next and then just choose whatever model we want to choose. And then we call this the German agent, our German agent, and we create that. Right, so now we have our German agent created. Next up, we need to create one more agent, and that agent will need to have access to this agent. So in order to give it access to this agent, we need to create a German agent tool. So we'll start with doing that. So we go to tools and we call it German agent tool. And so useful for answering questions in German, right? And the type here should be Superagent. And we see that we have our German agent here in the drop down. So we can just create that. And now we have our German agent tool here, which is perfect. We go back to agents and we create the orchestration agent that is going to inherit this agent here. So we'll do that quickly. And as you might, so now we have the German agent tool in our toolbox. We can just enable that, go to next. We don't have any documents. And then you are an AI assistant that's an expert at translating English to German. And then we ask it to actually use the tools that we've attached to it. And the way we do that with OpenAI is just to write like use the functions you have access to in order to answer the user's question. Next, choose a model, API key, and we call this Orchestration Agent. So, description, let's create it. All right, so the orchestration agent is created. Now, if we press run, we should be able to run this agent, and we don't have an API token. Let's fix that as well. Just create a token here. Perfect. Right. Now we go back to agents, we press run, and there we go. We should have the German agent tool. We have our prompt for the orchestration agent, and we should be able to run any query here. So translate hello world to German. And this should now trigger the nested agent and translate that and give that back to us. There we go. It's translated. So This is basically how it works with nested agents. You can create as many nested agents as you want, and you can, add tools, documents, whatever logic you want to them, and just attach them as tools to your orchestration agent, and there you go. That's it. Thanks.